is on the topic of content creation. Here in our standard products, we have embedded functionality where you can upload any type of PDF document. And of course, you can make every PowerPoint to a PDF document and then upload it here. You select which language this one is in, and then you can tell the artificial intelligence how many learning content questions you want to generate out of this. And you can even say keywords that are in the text, and the artificial intelligence will pick up on those keywords and then formulate the questions around those keywords. And as a result, you will get a proposal for a title, a proposal for the question itself, the explanation, and then different answer options, whereby some of the answers are correct and some of them are incorrect. So I'm actually going to jump into our live system here. I'm just going to refresh and hope we're still logged in. Yeah, we are. So here at the top, you have this AI learning question generator. You can normally generate questions yourself very manually, but also if you really want to generate questions and learning content on scale, you just select the document you want to use. I downloaded here the UOB group code of conduct. UOB is the big bank in Asia. Everybody's familiar with. So I just try to pick any random document. It's, I don't know, a few pages long. And what we can now say is, okay, the content is in English. Maybe I want you to generate 5 learning contents out of this. And now I can scroll through the document. I can say, I think there was one topic on intellectual property. Maybe we grab on your intellectual property, so we can maybe formulate this one. Intellectual property as one keyword, and then we can see if there's any other keyword we want to, maybe transparency, that we could pick up on. And now I'm going to start the artificial intelligence. So what now happens is, in the first step, we take this PDF document, we convert it into a text file so that the artificial intelligence can work with it. We cut it into smaller pieces and then decide which of those pieces we're going to use for the learning content generation. And once the artificial intelligence has cut it into pieces, it's then trying to formulate useful questions out of this. So in this case here, there's one topic on discrimination. What is UOB commitment to ensuring a safe working environment free from? And then, of course, here it's free from discrimination, bullying, and harassment. Well, work injuries, employee theft, and office policies are obviously incorrect answers. But even if I would say workplace injuries, that's of course actually also a real correct answer, maybe not in this specific case. But I could, for example, just say, yeah, when we do a multiple choice, this should also be a correct answer. Or I can modify the answer option here that the artificial intelligence has given me. I can also, in addition, add additional answer options that I want to be considered. And then I can go to the next question, which is on what is UOB stance against bribery and corruption. And it generates some useful content out of this one. Why is it important for employees to uphold the highest professional and ethical standards? I think that's one of the topics that we picked up on. Intellectual property, one of the other keywords that we keyed in. It gives us also some useful information. And if I like the questions the way they are, I just click on save, and they are added to my learning content portfolio, which I then can assign into different learning modules and so on and so on. And I can also say, no, certain answers I don't want to take into my learning portfolio because they don't make sense, or I want to do something different with them. So with this one, you have really 80%, I would say, faster learning content generation, and you save 80% of your cost and time in generating this learning